Hello comrades, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kirereje. Today we're going to revise paper 1 2022 paper. We're going to do one or two questions from there, and make sure that after you finish watching, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, you subscribe. Okay, so we're going to do one or two things, one or two questions from this paper. Okay. So we're going to answer question 2. I'm going to answer question 2, which is saying factorize. I'm going to factorize that question. I hope you're able to see. Okay, so we have got a question there which is saying factorize completely. Question is 2ax plus 4ay minus 3bx minus 6by. So that is the question. So we need to factorize this one. So now how do we factorize this one? How do we factorize this one? So I'm going to show you how to factorize this one. So I'm going to repeat the same. 2ax plus 4ay. So I'm going to group this, and then I'm going to group the remaining, which is 3bx minus 6by, like that. So I'm going to group them like that, and then third step is going to look for what is common here. What is common here? We've got 2a, we've got 4a, so there is 2a there also. So we'll say 2a is common, we'll open bracket. What is remaining here, we're going to remain with x, plus what is remaining there, it will be 2y, like that. And then we come this side. What is common? We've got negative or negative, and then 3 and also 3 there. So it will be 3b and b. So it will be negative 3b. Open bracket. What is remaining there? It is x. Negative multiplied by negative to be positive. 3 into 6, it's 2. 2 what? 2y, like that. So you discover that this, okay, this and this are the same. Okay, so this and this are the what? Are the same. So we pick just one from there. So we start with what is outside the bracket, which is 2a. Okay, so this is 2a minus 3b, like that. Put them in bracket, and then we pick n of this, which is x plus 2y, like that. It means to say you have factorized completely. So if you answer like that, you have scored 2 marks. Okay, so that was our first question. Second question, which we're going to answer, is question 3. Question 3 is saying simplify. Simplify. Question is there. Simplify. How do we simplify that? It's also 2 marks. How do we simplify this one? Wow. How do we simplify? So I'll repeat the question there, which is 3 open bracket 4x minus 5 positive 2. So how do we simplify this one? How do we simplify this one? So we just multiply the number which is outside the bracket with what is inside the bracket. So it will be 3 multiplied by 4. It will give us 3 by 4. It will give us 12x, and then minus 3 multiplied by 5. It will give us 15, plus the 2 which is outside already there. So here we deal with this, which is negative 15 plus 2. So it will be 12x. Okay, 12x minus negative 15 plus 2, it will be negative 13. So this is the answer. So if you answer like this, it means to say you have scored the other 2 marks. You have scored the other 2 marks. That is paper 1. So already I've scored 4 marks from this paper 2022. Let's look for another question that we can solve. Okay, I've got another question there, which is question 4. Question 4. So question 4 is saying solve the equation. So this is the equation which is 4 y to the power 2 minus 8 y equal to 0. Okay, so how do we solve this? How do we solve this? How do we solve this? So we're going to look for what is common here. I'll do like this. What is common there? We've got 4. Okay, sorry. So we've got 4 and y. We've got 4y like that. We've got 4y, so sorry on to this one. And then what is remaining here? What is remaining there? Find that we've got what? We're remaining with the y minus 4 into 8. It will be 2 like that. Okay, it will be 2. Y is already there, equal to what? The 0. So if you multiply this with what is inside the bracket, you're going to go back to that one. Okay, so now what do you do next? Since it's an equation, so this will be equated to 0. So it will be 4y, this one, equal to 0, and y minus 2 equal to 0. So 4y equal to 0 would mean with 1 to y. So therefore y is equal to what? 4 into 0, it's 0. Okay, like that. And then y minus 2 equal to 0, which is y equals to 2. So therefore the values, okay, therefore the values for y are 0, what? 0 and 2. These are two answers for what? For y. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure that you subscribe. And then I teach online. I've got a WhatsApp group. If you are still schooling in grade 10, 11, and 12 or GCE, you can inbox me so that I add you to my WhatsApp group. So my number is, this is my number. Okay. Okay, so that is my WhatsApp number. Make sure that you inbox me on that one. I'll be able to add you. Thank you very much for watching.